Lately, there's been a lot of talk about cleanse and detox, but is it something that's really right for you? So Mary from Tamarack's gonna guide us through a little bit about information we should know about spring cleanse and detox. So what exactly is a cleanse?
Well, a cleanse is actually not synonymous with a detox. So a lot of people get the terms confused, and there are some misconceptions about cleansing as well. So you can do a whole body cleanse, which detoxifies the whole body, or you can do just a specific organ, or if you live in an environment or you work in an environment where there's a lot of heavy metals, you can do a heavy metal cleanse. The most important thing to remember is that they're not for everybody. Some of them are specific to the bowel. Certainly if you have Crohn's disease or colitis, it's not something that you would want to do. And if you have some sensitivities in your system, always make sure you read all the ingredients. The other key advice is make sure you buy it from a reputable health food store. Don't buy something online. You don't necessarily know what's in it, and you want to make sure that those ingredients are safe.
What are some of the specific products that are available and what do they do?
Well, if you want to do a whole body cleanse, they're usually a 2 or 3 step process, and they consist of herbs that draw the toxins from your body, and then they recommend that you have a fiber so that those toxins bind to the fiber. And there's usually something in there like magnesium hydroxide, which draws water into the colon, which ensures that you'll have a bowel movement in the morning and you will excrete all those toxins.
And what are some different ones that can be concentrated? Like if people have an area that they want to be specifically detoxing?
Right. A lot of people who quit smoking, smoker's cleanse is a great thing to do. It helps to get some of those impurities out of the body and the nicotine, so it helps you with the cravings. Some people travel to different countries for their vacation. They come back, they think they're not feeling 100%. They might have a parasite. They can do a parasite cleanse. Other people will do something if they've had a lot of medication or they've had a lot of partying or some lifestyles that aren't the greatest. They might want to do a liver flush. The liver is a major detoxifying organ in the body. So you can also take milk thistle, which will support the liver. So there's lots of options, and you want to talk to a healthcare professional and make sure you know which one's for you.
And as you mentioned, there are some people that should not do the cleanse, so should we really keep that in mind? What's the difference between a cleanse and a fast?
Well, that's another common misconception, is that you have to fast while you do a cleanse, and that's not the case. What they do recommend is if you're doing a cleanse or a detox, you want to eat as healthy food as possible. You don't want to be eating a lot of processed foods with a lot of chemicals, because that's what you're trying to take out of the body. But you want to make sure you're getting proper nutrients in the body. So eat healthy, but eat well while you do a cleanse.
Armed with this information, a spring cleanse may be right for you. For Shaw TV, I'm Ann Gordonnaire.